Olive, what are you saying to your brother? See? She's talking to you, Cormac. Be gentle with her. Right, Olive? See, say something back, Cormac. That's how you converse. And then you say, you could baby talk her. Right, Olive? What's Olive saying? Oh. Okay, Cormac, scoot back. I know you want to kiss her. Keep telling her stuff. You want to tell her how Dinah... Oh! What? You're telling her you're sorry. You guys are talking. Oh, yeah, she's got a Thrasher t-shirt on. Okay. See? She wants to talk so bad.